Lane 0, Jacob Michael of QC Waves. Lane 1, Damiet Celdrick of Compass Aquatics. Lane 2, C. Isaac of Rapid Dolphins. Lane 3, George Stanley of Flying Lampasot. Lane 4, Polian Hill of Aquasonic. Lane 5, Rayed David of Illusionist Aquatic. Lane 6, Matt Carlston of Aquasonic. Lane 7, Ray Lester of Lionfish. Lane 8, Gregorio Steven of Illusionist Aquatic. Lane 9, Cabrera Joaquin of Aqualaser Swim Club. We would like to inform you that there was a disqualification in event number 302, Heat 1, Lane 7.
Go Cholo!
Disqualification in event number 302, Heat 2,